Welcome back to the geography class. Today we are talking about hotspot. Previously, we have seen that volcanoes can erupt at a destructive plate boundary where there is subduction to form volcanic island arcs, and at a constructive plate boundary where plates diverge and give space for the magma to rise. And that's what happens in the seafloor splitting, forming mid-ocean ridges, and on surfaces forming the lava plateaus. So another area where volcanoes can erupt apart from on plate boundaries, it is at the hot spots. So a hot spot is an area in the mantle with a very high temperature and pressure. So the magma has a very high temperature and pressure. As it rises upward through convectional currents, it is able to break through the crust and forms the volcano. Using this analogy, let me explain how it forms. So my pink color here stands for the mantle where the magma is located, and my blue here stands for the crust, and my black part here, my black arrow here is where the hot spot is. So it's where magma is very hot and it has a very high pressure, so that it is moving upward towards the crust. Now when it reaches there, it breaks through up to here, forming the volcano. Okay, let me see. We rise it through the crust and it forms a volcano here. So on this part, that's where you have an active volcano. So this volcano is erupting because it is straight above a hot spot. So magma rises, breaks through the crust, and erupts outside. Now, as the plate moves, because this blue is my plate, continental plate or even oceanic plate, as long as it is a crust, if it moves maybe, let's say in this direction, so it moves like this, that time the volcano is no longer above a hot spot. So it will be extinct because this magma here is no longer able to break through here. It's no longer so strong to break through here. But now this hot spot will be able to again break through this crust and create another volcano here. So an active volcano is the second one, but this one is going to be extinct. Let me change the color. Extinct volcano. Next time, as the plate keeps on moving, what was active volcano will be moved away from the hot spot, and a new active volcano will form, where it forms above a hot spot. Next, so far we have two extinct volcanoes and one active volcano. Next, it moves again. The active volcano forms above the hot spot, and now you have three extinct volcanoes. So this keeps on happening and makes a chain of volcanoes where Many of them are extinct, but only one is active above a hotspot. The example of these are Hawaiian volcanoes. Thank you for watching.